Guys, I already find a very good trading opportunity here, and if this current bullish candle closes below or same as the red candle, the previous bearish candle, then guys I would like to go for a higher option. Yes guys, I already placed a higher option. It was a little bit late entry guys. I I am expecting this candle to close below the previous or the previous bearish candles entry point, but still guys, I think market will go up because previously buyers enter into the market exactly from the same level. So I am quite sure that this candle will go up. I am fortunate that my trade end up like this, but if there is no previous buyer's entry point at the closing point of my previous candle, then guys it will be most of the case you can lose your trade. But I was fortunate that it was a very good signal. But guys, the market is moving pretty fast, and it is very risky to trade on a fast market.
Guys, do you like my videos and my trading system? If you want to make profit or money from binary options and IQ option website, you can join my live Zoom class. I organize two different Zoom class. You can either join our group Zoom training sessions or you can join my one-on-one private coaching. Group Zoom binary option trading class will cost around $150 and one-on-one private trading session will cost around $490 one-time fee. You don't need to join in my course. You can watch all the YouTube videos I will publish every single day. You can study and practice my trading system and strategies that I will share with you on YouTube for totally free. But still, if you want to learn more about the market, if you want to become a full-time trader like me, or you are expecting to earn a full-time income from binary option trading, then you can join my live Zoom class. Now the next question you probably have in your mind, what you will get inside? I will teach you from basic to advanced. To be honest, you will learn everything. I will teach you everything from basic to advanced. You will learn each and everything you need to know to predict each and every candlesticks. After you complete my Zoom class, you can predict the market in every minute, guys. But I'm not recommending you to predict or to take trades in each and every minute. You are going to place your trade at the best signal, at the perfect signal, and at the signal that you are 100% sure of winning. There is no strategy that guarantees you 100% winning ratio, but if you study hard, then you will understand and you will know when to trade and which signals will be perfect signal. Okay, in my live Zoom class I will talk about this kind of thing, that kind of stuff in details. Let's take one more trade by using my best binary option winning strategy, and we will talk more about our live Zoom class later on this video.
Guys, we win this trade, and I would like to go for another lower option here because I see sellers movement, but guys we get rejection from the buyers. But let's wait for the rejection. If I see any rejection, yes guys, I see the rejection, I will go with the sellers, and I place here a lower option with rejection. So I'm quite sure that market will close below this level, and market can create a reverse candle here. And guys, we already reach $1,900 balance. If we win this trade, then we will cross our $2,000 balance. And guys, yes guys, the market already goes so much down. But if this candle closes at this level, yes guys, and I would like to go for another higher option here, because guys, if you see,
binary options is an amazing opportunity for people like us to make profit or money, but unfortunately 90% people lost their investment in binary option trading, where rest of the 10% people earning thousands and even millions of dollars each month. Hello guys, I'm Jangalom Johnny. You can call me Johnny Alom. I am your host for today's IQ option tutorial video. To be honest, I am a software developer, but for the past 2 years I have been studying forex market, binary options and the indicators. In the past 2 years I spent hundreds and thousands of hours analyzing and taking trades and already gained a lot of knowledge about binary options and forex market. I am here to share my best binary option strategies and knowledge with you. Hello viewers, do you like my trading videos and strategies that I regularly share with you on my YouTube channel? If you would like to learn more binary options and forex strategies from me for totally free, then please guys subscribe to our We Pro Traders YouTube channel. Also please press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever I publish a new YouTube videos. So trader, by using our best binary option winning strategy, let's take couple of more trades in iqoption.com and let's make some profit.
yes guys, if we see any kind of rejection, then I would like to go for another higher option here. Yes guys, we see the rejection. Yes guys, why I place here a higher option guys, because previously from exactly the same position market goes up, okay, and if you closely look at the market, oh my god guys, it was a very good signal, but the market is going crazy guys. It is moving so much faster and market is behaving really awkward. If we win this trade, then I will get out of the market, okay. It was a very risky trade because market is moving so fast, but I'm sure that market will close above this level because there is a buyer's entry point previously. Yes guys, we win this trade. Let's see you on my next video guys.
Let's talk about what you will get inside our live Zoom class. First, we will talk about the basic of trading, how the price movement works. Even before we start to learn about the binary option strategy, we need to understand the market movement, how the market movement works, and how buyers and sellers entry will affect the price movement of the market. Don't worry guys, each of my live Zoom class will be more than 1 hour. Until we cover one particular topics, we will continue our class. So I will share each and every information I have about the market and binary options. Next we will talk about why 90% people lose their investment in binary option trading and why most of your strategy didn't work. Then we will talk about the candlestick psychology and important candlestick patterns that will give you a lot of winning trades. Also, I will share with you a very simple and effective way to draw the support and resistance level by using the candlestick patterns. Then we will learn how you draw the strong support and resistance line and how the buyers and sellers area affects the price movement on the market. When you will learn how to draw the support and resistance level and know where the strong buyers and sellers are, then we will talk about the level trading, how you can trade on a strong SNR levels. SNR means support and resistance levels. Then you will learn how to draw the trend line and how to trade based on trend line, how to draw the Fibonacci levels and how to trade based on trend lines and Fibonacci line. After that we will talk about the round number trading. You will also going to learn how to filter or how to identify the tradable uptrend and tradable downtrend. Then I will teach you how to take confirmation. Whenever you get any perfect signal, you will take confirmation for more accuracy into your, for more accurate or for increasing your winning ratio. Then you are going to learn the best trading time and the best currency pairs or the best elements you can trade using my strategy. After that we will talk about our secret and exactly to be exact my secret money management plan with my secret money management Excel sheet. then you will learn when you need to stop trading and how to control your emotions. I will cover each of the topics in details, and also I will share my 3 sure shot strategies along with one particular strategies for total beginner. So that means you will get each and everything you need to learn or you need to study to be successful, even to be full-time binary option trader. So guys, don't waste any more time. Join my binary option Zoom class and let's grow together. But if you didn't want to enroll in my live Zoom class, that is also okay. If you didn't want to my step-by-step blueprint, then here is a recommendation. Please guys, subscribe to my Wipro Traders YouTube channel and please press the bell icon, because each and every single day I will try to upload at least one informative binary option trading videos. So whenever I post any new videos or any binary option strategies, then make sure you don't miss any of the latest update. Trust me guys, you will get a lot of valuable information and trading strategies in the upcoming videos that I will share with you in my YouTube channel for totally free. Have a nice day guys. See you inside my Zoom class or in my next YouTube videos.